Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix this PC freezes randomly or logging and freezing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's go to the first method here. So first you need to change your power plan. So all you need to do is go to the search box and type right here power and sleep settings. So just go to that settings right here, and then once you've done, you will find this page, and then all you need to do is scroll down until you find this power mode. But as you can see, power mode can't be set while the high performance power plan is used. So as you can see, I have changed it to high performance. You want to go to control panel and you can change here the power options. So just change the plan settings and just change it to high performance. So once you change your power plan into high performance, now you can go to the second method, which is uninstall the unwanted application. So here on installed apps, you'll find all the apps that are not using. So you just need to delete or remove or uninstall all the unwanted applications on your computer. Now let's go to the third method on how you can speed up your computer, which is the delete junk files. So let's go to start icon, right click, then click on run. And then from here, you just have to type on temp. So tap on the box, then go to the folder, then delete all the files right here, all the junk files and this folder. Now once you delete this one, let's go back to the start icon, then right click again, then go to run, and then type here percentage temp percentage, then click enter, and then again delete all the files right here. So these are the junk files that need to be deleted, and then go back to run, and then type right here prefetch, and then click OK. And then again, you just need to give some permissions here. So just do the same method, delete all the files right here on the folder. And then once you've done deleting all these files, go back to the start menu icon, then right click again. And then let's let's type right here clean mgr. So let's go and type clean mgr and then click on OK, and then you'll find this one. It will start to calculating your disk, and then right from here you just need to delete all the check boxes right there. So click on OK, and then once you've done right there, once you've done cleaning up your disk, let's go back to the start menu icon, right click, and then click on this run. But this time let's type right here services.msc. So again, let's type services.msc, and you'll find these settings right here. We will find here system main or sysmain right there. Then once you found that, you need to right click this one, then click on properties, and then all you need to do is change the automatic into disabled. Then click on apply, and then click on OK. And then once you've done right there, you can also go to Windows Security and then scan viruses on your computer, and it will improve your computer speed. Now the last one that you're going to do is the browser cleanup. So just go to Google Chrome, then click on the three dots, and then click on the settings, and then right here click on this advanced or reset cleanup or reset settings right there, and then click on restore settings to their original defaults, and then click on the reset settings button. Or you can go right here on the extensions. So click on the three dots at the top right, and then click on these extensions. Click on manage extensions and remove all the unwanted extensions from your computer. So once you remove all the unwanted extensions, you can now go back to Windows Update, and you need to make sure that your computer is up to date. So that's how you basically fix logging and freezing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.